How to recover Snapchat account without email and phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can recover Snapchat account without email and phone number. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up Google in your device. And in the search bar, type in Snapchat support. Now navigate to the first link on your search results. So once you land on this kind of interface, scroll down and there is an option as contact us. Tap on it. Once you're here, you can select this option as I cannot access my account. Scroll down a bit and from these options here, you can select I cannot verify my email or the mobile number. Once you're here, now scroll down a bit. And here you have an option as contact Snapchat support, so tap on it. Then you will have a form in your interface where you have to provide the username of the Snapchat account that you need help with. So first of all, type in your username. Under that, enter the email address that is linked with your Snapchat account. So make sure you type in the correct email address. Under that, enter the mobile phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account again, and make sure to type in the correct mobile number with your country code. Under that, there is a description box. There you have to provide all of this information regarding why you need help from the Snapchat support. You can mention that you do not have access to your email or password and if you want to recover your account. So provide your valid reason. Once done, tap and submit. After that, Snapchat support will verify your request and will respond you back within 1 to 3 business days. So make sure you check your email and there you have to follow the instructions carefully as provided. So in this way, you can recover your Snapchat account if you don't have your email or your phone number. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.